What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Really nice car. Looks like a Corvette bronze. Correct me if I'm wrong. Black stripes. It's got the Cowl induction hood with the flapper. 454 big block Chevy AC car. Runs great. Very fun car to drive. Dual exhaust, of course. Body gaps are pretty good on the doors. Your interior, it's got a retro sound radio. Gauges right there. Volts, oil pressure, temp. Factory tack, clock. There's your climate controls. AC kicks on. Horn works. Horseshoe shifter. SS buckets. SS console, of course. Door panels. Whoever did this car really went the extra mile for the SS. Now my favorite game, which key is the trunk key. Get 3 keys here. There it is. Looks like somebody put a regular old newer GM wheel here just for a spare tire. Back here, get all your stereo stuff. Pretty clean car. Trunk floor's in great shape. Trunk closes nicely. The paint, I would call this a presentable driver quality paint job. It's probably a little older. It's got a few little flaws here and there, chips, but like right there where the door opens, you can see it right there. Stuff like that, just little stuff, but the paint shines really nice. It cleans up nicely. Just a nice car and a perfect Chevelle. If you want to get started into the classic cars, you want a Chevelle, this is a perfect one to get started out with. You could drive this car anywhere. It's got AC. It's got a retro sound radio. So if you want a classic car, this is one of them to buy. Especially a Chevelle. Everybody wants a 70 Chevelle. So if you want a 70 Chevelle, this is a pretty good car. Whoever owned this car took really good care of it. It's got its few things here and there, but like I would call this, like I said, a presentable driver. Probably a little bit older restoration. And it runs great. Bring it to car shows. Drive it to work on the nice days. If you're interested in this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, please contact us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where this car is located. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, that's Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. We offer special financing for our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. Open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We get new cars in almost every day, so keep checking the YouTube channel because you're not going to want to miss a thing. Keep checking the website. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and I hope you all have a great day, and I want to thank everybody for watching. And I want to see you guys here soon at MGM Classic Cars picking up this gorgeous Chevelle. Because remember, it looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.